Hey everyone, today we are talking about date and time formulas in Excel. It's like teaching Excel to understand dates and time. Simple and powerful stuff. So let's get started. So here as you can see, we have some data here, date, time, sales. Now we are going to fill these columns, okay? So let's start with year first. Okay, first step is equal to year, select the serial number from the date column, close the bracket, hit enter. So it tells us the year of date. You can see here 11/8/2016, from which we are extracting only the date. Okay, let's move on to the second one. Is equal to, formulas are always starts with is equal to, select the serial number again, close the bracket. So it shows the month of a date, simple as checking the calendar. Okay, now we are moving to the next one as day. Is equal to day, select the serial number again from the date column, close the bracket. Okay, you can see month here, it is 11, day is 8, year is 2016. Here also you can check for that. Month is 10, date is 11, year is 2015. Okay, so we covered the basics of date and time formulas. We started with the year, which tells us the year of a date, then month for the month, and day. Okay, so these functions are like decoding the language of dates in Excel. Okay, so let's now move on to the fourth one, which is hour. Okay, let's start with the clock function. Is equal to hour. Now the serial number will be column B, close the bracket, hit enter. Okay, next we are moving to the minutes. Is equal to minute, select the serial number, column B, close the bracket, hit enter. Okay, likewise we'll move to the next one, which is second. Okay, again select the serial number from column B, close the bracket, hit enter. So as you can see here, for the second, everything is 0000, so we don't have any values here. Why? Because if you go to column B, you can see it is 2:20, but there is no second. Everywhere you can see the second as 000, right? 2:20 p.m., 3:20 p.m. So let's add seconds here. Okay, 12, 1, 10, 5. So now you can see the formula working. 12 second, 12 second, 1 second, 1 second, 10 seconds, and 10 seconds. Here 5:20, 5 second. You can see here 5:20, 5 second. So you may be wondering here on the hour column, column H, you can see here 2:20, right? So here you can see it is 14, 20, 12, right? So 2:20, 12, right? So here it it is considering the 24 hours format, so that's why you're seeing 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, so on. Okay, so don't get confused. Let's move on to the weekday is equal to weekday. Okay, select the serial number, comma. Now here is the trick. Okay, so you can see here 1 to 7. Okay, Sunday to Saturday, 1 to 7 Monday to Sunday, 0 to 6 Monday to Sunday. So here you need to select which one should come first, from where it starts. It starts from Sunday or it start from Monday. Okay, so for now I'll select one. Okay, close, hit the bracket, see weekday. So it basically gives the week, so it basically tells the day of the week. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Week number, it is Weeknum. Okay, select A2 to A21. Okay, A21, comma, again here Sunday, Monday. So you can see here 1 to 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so as you can also see the comments here. Okay, week begins on Sunday. If you move to the next one, week begins on Monday. Week begins on Monday. So you can select from here, as we selected weekday as one, so here also I'm selecting one. Okay, or you can also do this. Okay, let's select Weeknum, select A2, hit enter. So week number gives the week number easy ways to organize the time. Okay, and there you go. So date and time formula in Excel made very simple. Practice a bit and you'll become a master in Excel. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe, like and share.